to guys, here it goes. Oh my god. The baking powder and citric acid. I think आपको पूरा डालना है.
लेकिन वो उन्होंने बोला कि स्टॉप हो जाना जब फोम आना स्टार्ट हो जाए तो.
क्या? तो हमें इतना ही डालना था. डालो और जाओ आप डालो.
डालूंगी किस जगह हो जब तो डालूं.
राइट वाली साइड पर डालो. राइट वाली साइड. Yep. Stop. Oh my god. Hey Parul, your wish list. I ...
Can you see the blue guys?
Yep, I could see.
Can you see the waterfall, guys?
Oh my. It's looking too much gray. Look at the particles coming. Oh my god.
क्या वाटरफॉल सेम ही एक्सपेरिमेंट है सब में.
ऐसे क्यों है? इसमें तो हो रहा था सर. कौन सा तकिया है?
वाटरफॉल.
See it. See the foam.
ये वाला. गाइस हमने प्लान चेंज कर दिया. अब हम ये वाला करेंगे.
Because we had messed up.
अब दिक्कत हो गई है थोड़ी सी. तो हमने 2 स्कूप्स की जगह 3 स्कूप बेकिंग सोडा डाल दिया. और अब हम उसमें भरो तो सही से. ठीक है 2 बार डाल देना. चलो कोई नहीं. ठीक है. अब 1 स्कूप डाल रहे हैं हम सिट्रिक एसिड इसके अंदर. फनल.
Oh my god.
हालांकि ये हमें उसमें करना था कटोरी में.
Oh my god, something has happened.
ठीक है बट हमने वो डाल दिया सिट्रिक एसिड. अब 1 स्कूप ऑफ ग्लो पाउडर.
Glow powder.
Here we have the glow
I think
powder.
Oh, I messed up. Okay.
ये नया एक्सपेरिमेंट था इंस्टेंट स्नो. तो हमने ये सारे काम कर दिए. क्रिस्टल पाउडर डाल दिया. 75 ml वाटर डाल दिया.
And guys, the
फिर ये
final
सोल्यूशन भी
result
पोर
is
कर दिया.
this.
एंड ये बनी है हमारी
Snow जैसी.
एंड ये बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. फील
चूल्हे
एंड
में.
टच में
एंड हमारी उंगली की हालत कुछ ऐसी होती
अच्छी लग रही है. लेकिन ये मतलब कुछ दिक्कत नहीं हुई इससे.
हाँ.
अब हम ये वाला भी करने वाले हैं. हम स्नोमैन भी
So
बनाएंगे.
shout out to this science kit.
सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर.
So guys, something wrong just happened. So she is doing instead of me because we cutted the video and something happened. So yes.
And this is the glow powder that we are going to add
Yes.
inside this.
There are so many weird scenes in this. We have cutted them. Oh my god.
अब हमें क्या करना
Here
है?
the goes the glow part.
हमें इसके ऊपर 30 सेकंड तक फ्लैश लाइट जलानी है. तो उसके लिए हमें वीडियो बंद करनी पड़ेगी.
Yes, sir. Liquid solution is ready.
Soap
and
solution?
Yeah.
Now we are going to add it to the volcano. इस इधर साइड से डालना. ठीक है.
Oh my.
आराम से प्यार से ऊपर से डालते हैं. उससे टच मत करो. हाँ हिल के क्यों डाल रहे हो? एक साथ डालो ना आराम से. हाँ देख. हमने ये सोप सोल्यूशन डाल दिया. अगेन नो रिएक्शन. अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा हमें.
Wait, something's happening. Just check it. I think you have to check it. Oh. Something's happening. I told you.
आई थिंक हमें पानी और
And it's
डालना
going to
पड़ेगा.
blast.
लेकिन
Okay. Oh my god. Should I?
लेकिन हमें ग्लोइंग पाउडर जैसा कुछ क्यों नहीं दिख रहा.
I think something's wrong.
For a few signs a flashlight for a few seconds on the lava to recharge it.
By the way, इस पे कलर डालना था.
नहीं कलर नहीं डालना था. बंद करो सिट्रिक एसिड को.
Wait, I'm just finding. Glow powder. Where is it?
वो डार्कनेस में दिख रहा है क्या?
Glow powder glow कर रहा है. पर भाई उसमें
लेकिन ये
नहीं
क्यों नहीं?
I think guys we messed up, but
गाइस
okay.
अंधेरे में ग्लो पाउडर ग्लो कर रहा है
For
actual
some
में.
reason. But
लेकिन
this
ये
is
नहीं
not
कर-
glow exactly.
क्या करें?
Anyway, it at least blew the volcano. Blowed, I mean.
What do we have to do with this volcano? शायद हमारा वो ज़्यादा हो गया ना बेकिंग सोडा.
Yeah.
इसलिए मैं सब कोई नहीं. बेटर लक नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Mummy.
Do waterfall experiment.
Because we were tired of volcanoes.
Yes, so here is the waterfall mold. हमने इसके अंदर 2 scoops of baking soda.
And the waterfall mold was just not joint, it was like this. We have joined it like this. Yep.
Yes, now we have to put it on this tray.
And
We have this. We have 1 scoop of citric acid and 2 scoops of baking soda.
don't you think it's a little too much?
No, it's not.
Anyway, I'll
Now
mix
take a
it.
cup and then 2 scoops and mix them well. Then pour the mixture into the main hole at the top of the waterfall here, with the help of obviously this funnel.
I have mixed the
Add this.
citric acid. What?
Add करो यहाँ पे डालो.
This?
Yes.
So here is.
Carefully.
Oh my god.
हाथ मत लगाओ केमिकल से.
It would take a little time.
Take a cup. Now next is ये soap solution में
That was
1,
count as 2,
3.
3,
We will hold this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Guys, by the way, this is a little.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is enough. 22 bus. Now we are going to mix it a little with the help of this. It is completely mixed.
Oh my god. By the way, I think you have to give it now.
Bus.
I think it's enough. Yep.
Now we are going to add it into the
Funnel.
waterfall. No, not funnel.
What have we done to the newspaper?
Let's do it, guys.
Wait. मैं मम्मी को बुलाऊंगी.
We are going to add 5 drops of red color. पहले उसमें छेद करना पड़ेगा.
No. Oh my god. नहीं इसमें हो रखा है.
नहीं, डाल के देखो.
Oh my god.
नहीं हो रहा. अब करना पड़ेगा. 5 drops.
Wait. 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4,
5.
Good.
And
And mix them.
wait. My hand is not in the best condition.
Wow, इतनी जल्दी mix हो
Oh
जाते हैं.
my god. What? Food color है. That's why.
Now remove the funnel. Then pour the mixture into the mini volcano all at once. रुको. It had to be handled with care. I will do it. अब तुम बस पकड़ के रखो. तब चल रही है वीडियो.
चल रही है? Okay then. Guys, it's about to happen. 3,
Start.
2, 1. Excuse me? Nothing have happened.
Why?
Guys, what? We just got scammed. Oh my god. Oh wait, never mind.
What should we do now?
I think liquid soap didn't work.
Yes, I also. And our experiment failed.
Oh my god.
Shit. We failed at our experiment.
It's okay.
Should we add more water?
No.
Oh, it's
Oh wait, it's coming. Oh wait, finally. Oh
It's a
wow.
volcano.
Oh my god.
Mini volcano.
Yes. Guys, look at the reaction happening. Like what? Oh my god. Like see how is it happening? The science behind this is, in this experiment, carbon dioxide gas is released with the mixing of baking soda and citric acid. But the soap solution traps the releasing gas. This slows down that reaction, creates more bubbles and increases the duration of volcano blast. That's why it took delay.
Yes, and when we poured the soap solution into the volcano, we see the bubbly lava coming out of the volcano of the red color.
I think the red color wasn't enough.
But yet, it looks so good.
It is more likely white than
ये stop ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये तो चलता जा रहा है.
नहीं अब हो गया स्टॉप.
नहीं हुआ,
अब
अभी चल
बबल्स ही
रहा है.
आएंगे बस. Guys,
एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3, that is vinegar volcano blast.
yes.
तो उसके लिए हमने मिनी volcano ले लिया है. Now we are going to take the mini volcano and put it on the tray. We had already done it. Now add 3 scoops of baking soda into the volcano. 3 scoops. 1, and another one 2 and last one 3. We had already done it. Now what we are going to do is using the funnel gently tap the funnel, तो जितना भी केमिकल है वो पूरा अंदर चला गया है. वैसे तो छोटा छोटा हाथ नहीं लगाते. ठीक है, अब इसको हमने हटा दिया है, रिमूव कर दिया. टेक द ग्लास टम्बलर,
Here's it.
pour 50 ml vinegar in the
Oh my god. Okay, never mind, guys.
50.
You didn't see anything.
yes
Nothing happened.
50 ml of vinegar.
By the way, this doesn't have 50 ml. I think we have to do it twice.
Do we have the tumbler?
Mhm.
Anything else?
We have.
No, we didn't.
We have this thing.
This is not the tumbler.
What is
Please,
the tumbler?
do you
Check.
think this is the tumbler? Measuring cylinder is a tumbler.
Tumbler? Yep, this is the tumbler, I guess.
What? No, measuring cylinder is the
Yes,
tumbler.
yes, I'm saying that. What is this? We'll just revise it. Dropper. Okay, it's in dropper. This is 3, 2,
And
1.
how we have poured it into the tray. Now next step is sprinkle 2 scoops of citric acid.
Citric acid.
Citric acid is the red one. Red one.
Okay.
Citric acid.
Oh, the noise. I don't know what's inside.
Similar to baking soda, it's a kind of powder. Yes.
Oh my god, this
Take
is
the help
looking
of
like sugar.
scoop.
Yeah.
Take the help of scoops and put 2 scoops of citric acid.
Yeah. Wait.
Next step is we have to add 50 ml of vinegar and 50 ml of water. So tumbler तो नहीं है, ये है एक कप हमारे
Glass.
पास, तो हमने 50 ml वाटर इसके अंदर डाल दिया है. अब 50 ml विनेगर डालना है.
Now she will put it because if I miss. So here's the spoon.
Scoop.
What? Sprinkle or what?
Just drop it.
Oh my god.
And
Dude. Oh.
so the experiment evaluates the release of gas bubbles by underwater volcanoes into the ocean, and the experiment mixes citric acid and baking soda with
Yeah.
water to
Fine.
create a fizzy reaction.
Yes.
The fizzy reaction is caused by the release of carbon dioxide gas bubbles.
Like this. Yes. So
Yes.
you could read if you want.
And we have already done. You can see the bubbles here.
Oh my god, this is looking good.
So we are going to do experiment number 2, that is infinite bubble lava, as you can
Goes
see.
the number 1.
First step is adding 2 scoops of baking soda.
Sprinkle.
Or just drop it. 2 scoops. Done.
That was like
Now
2.5.
1 scoop of citric acid.
Scoop of citric acid. Please close this.
Please open this first. From the video.
Huh?
Karo.
Okay, here's the citric acid.
1 scoop.
By the way, this looks like sugar.
1 scoop. Do not drop on table. Good. Okay, now close the container.
I think a little more. Okay. Here is it.
Now mix them well. Mix them well.
Wait.
Mix.
Ah.
Done. We have mixed it. Now put the mini volcano from the kit
Like this.
in the tray
Oh my god.
and put the
Mixture
funnel
inside.
funnel
Funnel, okay. Here
on
is
the
it.
top,
Like
and now
this.
pour the mixture into the volcano.
Why is this tilted like this?
You can keep it here. Nothing. Put the powder into this funnel.
This powder
Yes.
is made. Okay. Hopefully.
You can take help of the scoop.
By the way, you are too late to say that.
Done?
Yes. Wait.
Okay. We are going to mix 5 ml of liquid soap. though we did not have it, so we are using Dove. Only 5 ml. I think this much is enough.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we are going to add 20 ml of water into it. So 5 plus 20 is 25. Add it full. मतलब like यहाँ तक.
Okay.
बस.
Let
Mix कर दो इसको.
कहाँ?
So today we are going to do this experiment of bubbling ocean volcano.
So this is a tray.
Lakshya will be our instructor.
Yes. So this is a tray. We take some water.
Water
In
in
a
a
cup.
cup.
Yes.
And now
are
Lakshya will
going
add
to
5 drops of blue color. No.
Oh my god, I can't.
Now Lakshya is going to add 5 drops of blue food color.
Yeah.
So
Here's
it's 1.
What?
Press करो.
2,
2,
3, 4,
4 and
5.
5. Okay.
Now we'll mix it with the stirrer.
No need. पहले तुम एक काम करो, उसमें बेकिंग सोडा डालो, मत करो.
Baking soda.
So ये
Okay,
बेकिंग
then.
सोडा है हमारे पास में.
By the way, I know that this is just going to splash everywhere. So I'll
Not
do
at all.
to in the tray. Of course it did.
Now let's take the help of scoop and put 2 scoops.
Yes.
Good.
Oh my god.
1 in the tray, not.
In the tray.
Yes, 1.
But
Sprinkle.
sprinkle how? Okay.
Another. Good.
Okay.
Now
done,
2
done.
scoops are done and our color has already got mixed. So now what you need to do is pour the content of the cup into the tray.
Oh.
Pour it.
So guys, we are going to sorry. So is it not mixed fully yet? Maybe.
But still we can do this.
You sure?
Yeah. Then
3.
we can mix it up with this.
By the way, we have another device.
Now
This, of course.
done. Mixed properly.
But still, wait.